Hello, everyone. Today, I'll guide you step by step to create a world of little monsters. First, use a pencil to sketch the bodies of the little monsters in the four corners of the paper. Don't worry, these outlines can be very simple, like circles, ovals, or small triangles. Next, we can add some interesting features, like long, pointy ears or a pair of big round eyes. Now it's time to add color. Pick some bright colors: red, yellow, blue, green. Don't worry about making mistakes. Be bold and try different things. Remember to leave space for the facial features of the little monsters. Once you finish coloring the body, use a black marker to fill in the facial features. You can also decorate the ears. Next, draw some spots or stripes on their bodies. The final step is to decorate the background with dots, lines, or other small patterns to add some fun to the picture. The little monsters are done. Remember to like and share it with your friends.